This is the story of how Stacy stopped foreclosure on her Greeneville, Tennessee home, behind on payments, too many repairs to list, and a clean exit when she needed it most. She didn't think there was a way out that didn't end badly. Favor Home Solutions bought it as is, stopped the foreclosure, and she didn't have to fix a thing. Here's how it happened. Stacy had been managing two problems at once for longer than she should have had to. Her Greeneville home had accumulated a repair list that grew a little longer every season, the kind of deferred maintenance that starts as inconvenience and quietly becomes a liability. At the same time, her finances had tightened to a point where mortgage payments were no longer consistent, then no longer current, and eventually no longer happening. Neither problem alone would have forced her hand. Together, they created a situation where the options were narrowing fast and the timeline was no longer hers to control. Foreclosure in Tennessee doesn't wait for a homeowner to feel ready. Once the lender begins the process, the notice is published, and the sale is scheduled. The timeline compresses to weeks rather than months. Stacy understood what was coming. What she didn't immediately see was a clear way out, and every conventional exit had the same wall in front of it. Selling through a traditional listing required the home to be in a condition financed buyers could purchase, and it wasn't. The repairs needed were real, and the cost of addressing them wasn't money Stacy had available. Paying off the missed payments to reinstate the loan required a lump sum she didn't have either. Every path circled back to the same dead end. So when Stacy reached out to Favor Home Solutions, she wasn't looking for a perfect outcome. She was looking for a way to stop the damage from getting worse. Favor Home Solutions buys houses across Greeneville and all of Tennessee, any condition, any financial situation, and moves fast enough to beat a foreclosure calendar. From there, the damage stopped. First, Favor Home Solutions assessed the property as is, with no expectation that she repair, clean, or prepare anything, and came back with a straightforward offer, no contingencies. Then they covered all closing costs, so nothing came out of her pocket. And finally, the closing intercepted the foreclosure before it could finalize. The lender was paid off, and the process stopped. Here's what Stacy walked away with. The foreclosure was stopped before it could close the door permanently. The home sold completely as is, every repair left untouched, nothing to fix. And she walked away free, no foreclosure entry on her credit record, no lingering obligation. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on repairs, $0 out of pocket at closing, and no completed foreclosure on her credit. The entry that would otherwise have followed her for 7 years was never recorded. And a situation that had been quietly compressing around her for months simply released. No repairs she couldn't fund, no lump sum to reinstate the loan, no listing that would stall on condition, no auction date hanging over her. The property she could no longer carry was no longer hers. The result. The closing intercepted the foreclosure, the lender was paid, and Stacy walked away from a situation she thought could only end badly, without a foreclosure on her record and without the weight of a home she couldn't carry. Maybe Stacy's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. Behind on payments, foreclosure advancing, too many repairs to list, no lump sum to catch up, any condition, or simply needing to stop the damage from getting worse. The earlier you reach out, the more options remain. If you're facing foreclosure in Greeneville or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is no repairs, no commissions, all closing costs covered, a fast close that can stop the clock. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation offer.